Welcome to the Energy Land simulation. In this simulation, you will use a variety of energy sources to power a city. You will also encounter the different construction and operational problems that come with certain energy resources. When you first start the simulation, take a minute to go over the different sections on the map. Click on one of the 10 energy sources at the bottom left, and pick one of the empty white squares on the map to position a resource facility. Note, only certain resource facilities can be built in particular areas. Once you have built your facility, the cost per megawatt hour will be updated on the bottom right. Select the Transmission Lines button to start building a connection between the facility and the city's power station. You'll want to create the shortest connection possible to keep energy costs at a minimum. Click anywhere on the grid to place a transmission line. However, you will quickly realize that not every location will allow you to build a tower. Also, particular areas will cause you to spend more when building transmission lines, due to the difficulty of the land contours and environment, so keep this in mind as you choose a path. If you want to remove a tower from the grid, simply click it again to remove it. After you complete the connection between your resource facility and the city's power station, the pathway of transmission lines will begin to flash, signifying the city now has power. Note the cost per megawatt hour this route will require. Now click the Reset button and either choose a new location for the same energy source you just tested, or select another source to place on the map. Continue to experiment with all the energy sources in every location possible to compare the cost per megawatt hour of each design.